Welcome to aTech. In the skies of modern conflict, the threat comes from above. The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator isn't just a simple helicopter, it's the most modern predator in Russian attack aviation. Designed as a two-seat evolution of the legendary Ka-50, it embodies ultimate versatility, tank destruction, close air support, anti-helicopter combat, and high-intensity armed reconnaissance missions. The Ka-52, with its massive silhouette and unique counter-rotating rotors, is a true technological icon. Yet, since 2022, it's been engaged in the greatest operational test of its history. Facing kamikaze drones and Western man-portable air defense systems, manpads. How does this sophisticated machine, equipped with ejection seats, adapt to high-tech warfare, and what are the limits revealed by fire? Let's dive into the characteristics, armament, and tactical role of this aerial warrior. The design of the Ka-52 is radically different from its global counterparts. With a length of 15 meters and a height of 4.9 meters, it's distinguished by the use of two coaxial counter-rotating rotors. This architecture eliminates the need for a tail rotor, channeling all engine power toward lift and speed. This design grants the Ka-52 exceptional maneuverability, allowing for complex maneuvers, tight turns, and remarkable stability, even at low speeds or during a hover. A key tactical advantage in urban or forested areas. The helicopter's powered by two Kamov VK2500 turboshaft engines, each delivering between 2400 and 2500 horsepower. This combined power allows it to reach a high maximum speed, ranging from 310 to 350 kilometers per hour, depending on mission configurations, with a comfortable range of 450 to 520 kilometers. The major innovation that sets it apart from its side-by-side two-seat cockpit: this arrangement promotes communication and distribution of tasks between the pilot and the weapons systems officer. Crucially, this cockpit is armed to protect the crew against small arms fire and cannons up to 23 millimeters. Finally, it's equipped with a K-37-800M ejection seat, a global rarity for a helicopter designed to separate the rotors in an emergency, offering the crew a chance of survival even in the event of a critical, unrecoverable hit. The superiority of the Ka-52 relies on its sophisticated avionics systems and sensors, which make it a multi-target detection and engagement platform. At the heart of its targeting systems is the Phasotron FH-01, Active Electronically Scanned Array ASA radar. This cutting-edge radar allows the Ka-52 to simultaneously detect and track ground and air targets in all weather conditions, day and night, even at long distances. This capability is complemented by the GOES 451 and TOES 520 optoelectronic systems, which integrate thermal cameras, digital night vision, and high-precision laser rangefinders, all coupled with a heads-up display HUD for the pilot. For survival in the hostile environment on the front lines, the helicopter uses the L-370 Vitebsk electronic warfare system. This device provides multi-layered defense by integrating radar and laser warning receivers, and by deploying thermal decoys, flares, and chaff to counter and deflect infrared or radar-guided missiles, including the manpads that are the primary threat. This sensor architecture allows the Ka-52 to engage in network-centric warfare, coordinating its actions via a digital link with the other Ka-52s or armored units on the ground. The Ka-52's arsenal is designed for armored destruction and massive fire support. Its fixed armament is a 30mm 2A42 cannon, side-mounted rather than on the flight axis like some counterparts. The cannon offers a rate of fire of up to 800 rounds per minute, though its lateral nature can sometimes require directing the helicopter to aim. The true potential of the Ka-52 lies in its 6 external hardpoints, capable of carrying up to 12 guided anti-tank missiles. Historically, it's used 9K-121 Vickers missiles with a reliable range of about 8 kilometers, as well as the aTech. However, faced with the new challenges of recent conflicts, the arsenal has been significantly enriched. Since 2022, the Ka-52 has made intensive use of the new Lemur Product 305E guided rocket. This precision air-launched rocket expands the strike zone up to 15 kilometers. This extended range allows the Ka-52 to launch precision strikes from behind the front line, remaining out of reach of most man-portable air defense systems, manpads, a major tactical asset. In addition to this, it can carry S-8 80mm or S-13 122mm unguided rockets, guided or retarded bombs, and pods for IGLA or R-73 air-to-air missiles for anti-helicopter or anti-slow aircraft combat. Finally, there's the Ka-52K Katron, a navalized version with folding blades and reinforced landing gear designed specifically for use on helicopter carriers. The tactical role of the Ka-52 is multifaceted. It's the pivot of direct fire support and armored destruction, and it's often assigned to the suppression of mobile anti-aircraft defenses. Its massive engagement in Ukraine since 2022 makes it the helicopter most involved in Russian air-to-ground strikes, operating in close support of armored forces or armed reconnaissance missions. Its ability to fire precision munitions at 15 kilometers with the Lemur missile has been a major game-changer, allowing it to operate with relative safety against most light threats. However, the harsh reality of the conflict has highlighted its weaknesses. The Ka-52 has proven vulnerable to the multiplication of Western-supplied manpads, kamikaze drones, and wear and tear during repeated missions without adequate maintenance. Several aircraft have been documented as destroyed by Ukrainian defenses, notably by FPV drones targeting less armored areas and sophisticated Western missiles. This significant loss out of an estimated total of about 133 operational units in 2022 has limited the Russian army's strike rate. Survival in a hostile environment is a permanent challenge despite the sophistication of its electronic warfare systems. Faced with the hard lessons of combat, the evolution of the Ka-52 is already underway with the Ka-52M version. This improved version integrates essential optimizations for survival and efficiency. The Ka-52M benefits from an increased detection range thanks to an upgrade of radar and optoelectronic systems, new avionics, and, crucially, reinforced protection to improve its resilience against ground fire and drones. The arsenal is also standardized and compatible with the entire range of modern Russian helicopters, Mi-28NM, Mi-8M, simplifying munitions logistics. The Ka-52 remains among the most sophisticated attack helicopters for simultaneous multi-target detection and engagement. Its specific innovations, such as the coaxial rotor, offering unique mobility in forested urban zones, and the ejection seats, continue to set it apart on the world stage. However, the reputation of the Ka-52 has been deeply affected by the heavy losses suffered in a high lethality environment. The Ka-52 is a reflection of the arms race between the traditional attack platform and portable surface-to-air defenses and low-cost drones. Its future will depend on the speed and effectiveness of its anti-drone modernization and its integration into tactics that maximize its 15-kilometer strike range while minimizing exposure to close-range threats. The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator is a brilliant machine of engineering, but its confrontation with the modern battlefield, saturated with manpads and drones, has exposed the intrinsic vulnerability of even the most armored attack helicopters. Its strength lies in its long-range arsenal and its sensors, but its challenge is to ensure survival at a short range. Share your analysis in the comments below. Can the Ka-52M and the Lemur missile restore Russian aerial superiority against asymmetric threats? If this in-depth analysis of one of the most sophisticated helicopters in the world has fascinated you, support our work. Subscribe to aTech and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming strategic analysis on the military technologies defining the world of tomorrow. See you very soon.